Money Manifestation Journal. Script your way to financial freedom. The idea of manifesting wealth and success has been around for centuries. It involves visualizing the things you want to achieve and actively engaging in activities that will bring them into your life. A money manifestation journal is an effective tool to help you manifest your financial goals. It is a journal that helps you focus on your goals and take the necessary steps to achieve them. A money manifestation journal is a place to write down your thoughts, plans, and goals related to your finances. It can be used to track your progress, set goals, and stay motivated. It can also help you to stay organized and focused on your financial goals. Creating a money manifestation journal is easy. All you need is a notebook or journal and a pen. Start by writing down your financial goals, such as saving a certain amount of money each month or paying off debt. Then, write down any ideas or plans you have for achieving those goals. Finally, write down any positive affirmations or mantras related to your financial goals. This will help to keep you motivated and focused on your goals. Your money manifestation journal should be updated regularly. Every day, take a few minutes to review your goals and plans. Write down any new ideas or insights you have. Also, write down any successes or milestones you have achieved. Reviewing your journal regularly will help to keep you motivated and on track. A money manifestation journal is a powerful tool to help you achieve your financial goals. It can help you stay organized, motivated, and focused on your goals. By writing down your goals, plans, and affirmations, you can create a roadmap to financial success. Creating a money manifestation journal is a great way to take control of your finances. By writing down your goals and plans, you can stay organized and motivated. You can also use it to track your progress and celebrate your successes. With a money manifestation journal, you can script your way to financial freedom.